Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tricolor pasta salad, full guide. Start by boiling tricolor pasta until al dente, then drain and rinse with cold water to stop cooking. Toss pasta with chopped cherry tomatoes, diced cucumber, sliced bell peppers, and thinly sliced red onion. Add a simple vinaigrette of olive oil, red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. Chill for at least 1 hour before serving. To make a bright vinaigrette, whisk together extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, minced garlic, honey, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Adjust acidity and sweetness to taste, starting with a 3:1 oil to vinegar ratio, then tweak. Pour the dressing over cooled pasta and vegetables, then gently toss to coat evenly. Let flavors meld in the fridge for 30 minutes to 1 hour for best results. Quick recommendation: if you like easy meal prep, subscribe and like if this video is helpful, and consider the containers I used for packing pasta salad. The product here makes meal prep simple and leak-proof, perfect for portioning tricolor pasta salad for work or school. Check the description for the link and other deals, and laugh with me about how organized life suddenly looks. Now let's get back to the video. For texture and color, include add-ins like cubed mozzarella, sliced olives, chopped fresh basil, toasted pine nuts, or canned chickpeas rinsed and drained. Keep strong flavors like feta or anchovies separate if serving guests with varied tastes. Portion into airtight containers for meal prep and add dressing just before serving if you prefer crisp vegetables. Store leftover pasta salad in the refrigerator for up to 4 days and always stir before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.